Hi there, so my name's Mark McLean. I'm the Technical Sales Director at Scotia Architectural Systems based in Scotland. We have been an Internorm partner now for 6 years, and this year we were recently awarded Platinum Dealership status. We've been installing Internorm Windows now throughout the whole of Scotland for probably 3 years, doing self-builds and new build developments, and this is one of the most recent projects that we've undertaken. The client's brief on this project was that they fundamentally wanted to design a very low energy, modern, contemporary, almost passive home, utilising ICF, which is insulated concrete formwork construction. They wanted something which was triple glazed fundamentally and stood up to the high exposure ratings that we obviously have in the Highlands and Islands around us. So, in this project we utilise 3 systems. The main system is the KF310, and we chose the KF310 for 2 reasons. Essentially, it allows for a big glass area within the makeup of the glass units, and we can go up to a 58mm thick glass unit, which when we're looking at things like the solar gain, we're looking at the glass strength and resistance and flex is very, very important. And we utilise the KS430, which is the lift and slide door systems behind us. One, again, because we can get U values down to 0.76 in terms of U values and performance, and 2, it gives a lovely big opening aesthetic to the main patios that are behind me. We also utilise the KF410 side entrance doors to the front and to the rear. Scotia Architectural Systems have been a partner with Internorm for just over 6 years. Last year we were awarded Platinum Partnership status, namely for the kind of level of customer service that we provide to our customers and the amount of turnover that we do with Internorm and the spend. We find that Internorm are one of the most innovative companies on the market with regards to product development, the way that they support their end dealers, and fundamentally the support that they give to customers. Products are always evolving, they're always becoming more efficient, and our construction market in Scotland being one of the kind of further developed markets within the UK, certainly with regards to energy efficiency and building standards, we can see that Internorm triple glazing, energy efficient glass and glazing is going to become the stable point in the construction industry moving forward. So working with someone like Internorm we find is hugely important.